ka jinglai phet jong arngot ki koidi ki bala sha rai penram da ka set phatok u small power but ukwal lalu kala pelong ki pulit ka was giant hills menta ban bek thong bat ban thwet jor yeki badru ban pelong da ka jing to kit ka bakli da assistant superintendent of police kini ki arngot yo lat ban phet na jowai civil hospital la ka singu play hadien bakila sha yalam bat cha sumar na ka jing och tom jongki u small power u de bala sha rai penram da ka set phatok shi phosnem nakadaw ka jing thombari hybrid ka bel kwal lalu udei ba sha rai pendrem taka ba sep phatok shijing em naka jing don kti haka company abrio haba persang banwat penya alor ka jing lai phet kite ki arngot ki koidi haba ekran ba mariaham kharkrang inspector general of prisons ulong pagatat pulit khansa it ka khaipot chaka sarkar jila halor ka jing lai phet arngot ki koidi bala sha rai pendrem tak ba sep phatok usmol phawa bat kwal lalu Ulong Yementa Katanat Pulit Kadang Ab Yakap Kaipot Nagi Board Pulit covers Chanta Hills district.
No, the thing is, yesterday in the morning we got the information from Juwai Civil Hospital of the escape of 2 convicts from Juwai Civil Hospital. Then immediately people had gone there, and of course police was informed also. Just to give you a brief of these 2 people who have escaped, one is Small Power and the other one is Quail Lalu. Small Power was convicted for a rape case and Quail Lalu was convicted for a murder case. Small Power was convicted for 10 years in rigorous imprisonment, and at the same time also he was imposed a fine of 5,000 rupees, and if he fails to pay the fine, another extra 1 year will be added to his conviction period. And Quail Lalu was convicted for life imprisonment for murder. And the preliminary report we got was that both these convicts were admitted to Juwai Civil Hospital on 27. Small Power was admitted on 27 January 21, and Quail Lalu was admitted in Juwai Civil Hospital. They were complaining of some sickness and all, so he was admitted on 29. And once we have admitted them in hospital, then over there it's as per the standard protocols and all, and the district police has been informed, and they have pulled up their guards and all. And how they escape and the circumstances which led to the escape, I think so it would be better for you to speak to the SP Juwai, because from our side, because none of our people were involved there.
Hakawai Kalyang, Habai Grand but SP West Giant Hills, Bikram Dis Marak, but will open tip by you Small Power la Yalam Shakajing Sumar, Hakar Pinyo Kuala Lingkot, Arjar Puway. Kabayu Kuala Lu Layalam, Haka Apkunda Kuala Lingkot, Arjar Apoi. Umarak la pentipru bala pensange, Trekam, ki Arngut ki Pulit, Pahara, but Kajing Toket Halor Kani Kajing Lak Pet, Kalayaj Kmat, but Ulong, Kajing Tep Kababnia, and Salapan I Hadian Artayo.
First and foremost, yes, we have intimated all the localities and all regarding this escape.
Okay.
And number 2 is our hunting is still going on. Because since yesterday it has been going on. And number 3 is they escape from the hospital where this separate cell and all were placed.
So do you suspect, there is a hand and gloves of some men in uniform for his escape, or because he's a coal baron?
Yeah, for that reason only I have entrusted an inquiry.
Okay.
So I have to base on my inquiry report only, because inquiry it has just begun.
How many days of inquiry, sir?
I have given for 2 weeks. 2 weeks
2
time
weeks.
For an inquiry. Yeah.
Okay.
To conduct inquiry, in-depth inquiry, and submit the report.
So who is heading
Then
the
only
inquiry?
I'll be able to give you the real picture.
Okay, who is heading the inquiry, sir?
Additional SP rank. Both of them are convicts. And
Okay.
both of them escaped. One
he
is
is
a
also a
convict of
convict.
rape case. Another one is a convict of murder case.
So they were hospitalized together at the same time, or?
No. One has been hospitalized on 27th. Another one hospitalized on 29th.
How did they meet up each other then, sir? Like, just a common man question,
And they were there in the this one jail only together.
Okay. So
Yeah.
means they were admitted in the same room or same.
Yes. They were admitted in the same room.